Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate bark at home. First, select about 16 ounces of your favorite high-quality chocolate, whether it's dark, milk, or white. Break it into small pieces for easier melting. You can melt the chocolate using a double boiler, stirring until smooth, or in the microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval. Aim for a temperature around 90 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect consistency. Once your chocolate is melted and smooth, it's time to think about toppings. This is where you can get really creative. Gather your favorite additions like chopped nuts, dried cranberries, pretzels, or even a sprinkle of sea salt. Make sure all your toppings are prepped and ready to go before you spread the chocolate. Having them ready ensures you can add them quickly while the chocolate is still warm and pliable. Now for the fun part. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This is crucial for easy removal later. Pour your beautifully melted chocolate onto the prepared sheet. Use an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it into an even layer, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch thick. Don't wait too long. Immediately sprinkle your prepared toppings generously over the warm chocolate, pressing them gently to ensure they adhere. Almost there. Once your toppings are on, carefully transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Let it chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm and snaps cleanly. This step is essential for that perfect bark texture. Once fully set, remove it from the fridge and break the hardened chocolate into irregular, rustic pieces. Store your delicious homemade chocolate bark in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.